The 8-hour workday was never about productivity. Who really invented the 8-hour workday? The hidden reason you work 8 hours a day.
You work 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, almost your entire adult life. But have you ever asked, why 8 hours?
Some days you finish your work in 4 hours. Other days you're exhausted after 2. Yet you're still expected to sit there until the clock says you're done. So where did this rule come from? And more importantly, who decided it? The 8-hour workday didn't come from science or productivity research. It came from factories. In the 1800s, factory workers often worked 12 to 16 hours a day. No weekends, no labor laws. Workers were exhausted. Protests began. Eventually, a compromise was proposed. 8 hours work, 8 hours rest, 8 hours personal time. It sounded fair, and for that time, it was a huge improvement.
But here's the problem. The world changed. Factories became offices. Machines became computers. Work became mental, not physical. Yet the schedule stayed the same. Why? Because the system wasn't designed for human energy. It was designed for management convenience. Fixed hours are easy to control, easy to measure, easy to enforce. Productivity doesn't matter as much as predictability.
Most people are productive only 3 to 5 hours a day. The rest of the time, meetings, emails, waiting, pretending to look busy. The 8-hour day survives not because it works, but because it's familiar. And systems don't change unless they're forced to. Once you understand the system, you stop blaming yourself. You're not lazy. You're operating inside a rule designed over 100 years ago. And now that you see it, you can't unsee it.